Hello guys, in this video tutorial we will talk about neomorphism and I will teach you how you can apply this technique to improve your web design skills. You might want to know what this neomorphism really is, so let me quickly explain this. Neomorphism is a design rule that we apply while making various components. You can see here these are created using neomorphism. Notice how some component seems to extrude outside from background and some seems to extrude inside background. Now in this video we will not be creating a complete web page design, rather I will be teaching you how you can add neomorphism to your flat component. I will be showing you step by step how you can create this. Let's move to drawing board. I am using Figma for this tutorial. For this tutorial you will be making a toggle button. Let's change background color first. Create a rectangle and let's round off the corners. First rule for creating neomorphism is that background color and color of the component itself should be same. So copy the color of your background and paste it to your toggle button. Now we need to add two background shadow to our toggle button. One shadow should be dark and another shadow should be light. This is second rule. Here you should tweak shadow option until it looks visually good to you. Now make a copy of this and set same width and height. This makes it a circle. We can place it inside here. Let's change some of the shadow option for our toggle button. Currently it is extruding outside. What we want to do is we want to make it extrude inside. Also tweak other value as well. Yeah, making a good neomorphism is all about tweaking the shadow option. So we have completed our toggle button. Let's make this toggle button do something as well. So duplicate this frame. Now we have two frames. We want to toggle between dark and light theme. Change some color for this frame. Here shadow does not look good, so we need to tweak shadow option that we have set previously. Let's slide this button to right and also change the color here as well. Now go to prototype. Here we will make a sliding animation for this toggle button. Now we have a working toggle button. So that was it for this tutorial. Hope you learned something out of this. Let me know if you like this neomorphism design trend in the comment section below. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.